Hello, friends. It's great to have you here. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. I'm Miss AP, here to help restore your energy. Let's start with our warm-up. We are going to be running in place by the count of 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everyone. Now that we have warmed up our bodies, we are ready to exercise. Today, we are going to work on combining movements with our arms and our legs. I would like you to use your ready position, standing up tall like a pencil, arms at your sides with your feet together. Once your body is in that ready position, we're gonna jump out, arms out and up, jump in, arms down. Good, that was one whole jumping jack. Let's try that again a little bit faster. Ready position, jump out, arms out, jump in, arms down. Awesome. Now let's try 20 jumping jacks together. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's start our cool down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.